This is Windows 10 and the question is why I cannot move my icon. I drag the icon from one location, drop it there, and it's not here but it jumps back. So how to move the icons? Well, right click on the desktop, come here to view and uncheck auto arrange icons. And now after auto arrange icon is unchecked, now you can move your icons wherever you want. Notice the icons are aligned to a straight pattern. You cannot move it just a little bit to the right. It will jump to a predefined location. If you want to eliminate that one also, then right click on the desktop, view, and uncheck this one also, align icons to grid. That grid has this distance. Now since that one was eliminated, now you can move your icons even a millimeter up or down or left or right. Of course it's not looking as nice as when it's aligned to the grid. So view, align icons to grid, let's keep that one. In this way you can move your icons, but at least they don't go onto each other. Notice it's not going to stay on the top of the other icon, whereas if align icons to grid is unchecked, then you can put two icons one on top of the other. Like so. Here we have two icons. Right click, view, align icons to grid. Now they are separated.